Today is what we call our crane day. It's the most dramatic change that we have on our building site. It's the process of us taking the house from foundation through to a wind and watertight superstructure. All of our boys and girls on site enjoy crane day for several reasons. One, it's the most dramatic thing that happens throughout the build. Typically we make a bit of a celebration, so we bring pizzas or pies and cakes and bottles of water and drinks, and when we stop at lunchtime we have a big communal team building lunch together. So that's quite good fun. So each time we have a crane day, we're quite proud of how that comes together and what we've created and that whole system and process. So we're always quite keen to show it off. Today we had 2 delegations from local authorities to come along and see the process that we go through, how we managed to build a house in one single day. We spent the first couple of hours in our factory where we talked about the design phase, the way that we create the kits, how we manufacture them in the factory, and we had a little tour of our little facility around the corner where we showed the process of taking the raw timber, turning those into kit panel sections, how we then stack them and load them for transport out to site, and then once we finished at the factory, the delegates then came up to our site here to see the actual process all falling into place, and luckily the timing was right. They were able to arrive on site just as we were about to lift the roof sections. By having the crane do all the hard work, our boys and girls don't have to do any excessive manual handling. We have to protect them and look after their health and well-being. And if we can use the crane to do all the hard work, what our teams do is guide those components into place and do that quickly and efficiently, but also safely. That's extremely important. Well, crane day, as you can see, was obviously quite successful today. We started out with a house that was pretty much sitting at ground level and a whole lot of timber frame panels that were stacked in steel stillages, but the team have done an excellent job today. They have managed to erect a pair of semi-detached houses from start to finish in one single day, and that includes the windows installed. We have all the plasterboard and all the insulation in the upper floors all fully loaded out, and we almost have a wind and watertight house after what is only 6 or 7 hours of excellent progress.